That's very unmotivating.
What's that?
Those fucking rocks.
Did I get you with the rock?
No, just
Oh.
I don't like that.
Okay.
I decided. Fuck that.
Okay.
I'm like a heat-seeking rock magnet.
Really? You mean?
I gotta hit every fucking rock on the goddamn trail.
Well, you're hitting. You gotta hit some of them. I know. I don't like rocks either.
Yeah, I gotta take a shit. The rocks?
No, it brings back memories. When I took a shit here. I'll show you exactly where I took a shit again.
Okay, how am I gonna do my bike?
You can lean it up against mine. This brings me back to memory lane.
Which side?
Here, I'll do it.
It's coming out. Oh, fuck it.
You're not enjoying yourself?
No, not that.
Oh, man, I'm sorry.
It's coming out of me. What if a snake bites me in my ass? It's coming out. It's coming out.
Man, I think that's a good ride.
Fuck the rocks.
Huh?
Yeah, man. I hit one pretty good.
Huh? What is it?
A rock.
A rock hit you?
Look, it's like fucking hard. I know I'm gonna shit my pants.
Well, take off your gear. You're gonna have to do that anyways.
Well, I can't get where these people are riding. It's a really good idea.
A lot of people don't. Jack was right last time. Like, it was so many memories back. Okay, you gotta undo this. Take this off first. Brings me back memory lane.
Memory?
Memory lane. Good luck. Don't bring the fucking I can imagine you find the one I want. Look at Jerry taking his shit. Let's go see. Let's go. Shall we go see what Jerry's doing? Okay, let's go. That's Jerry going poop. Did you notice he was wiping? Feel better? Here we go. I don't know why this thing is, should be probably full. Oh well. Huh. 200. This one's 53 minutes. Okay. This is. Oh. 2 hours and 37. Oh, we got some good stuff in there. Okay, here comes Jerry. Jerry had to go take a break for a minute. I don't know what he was doing. Look. Hi, are you okay?
Yeah.
What happened? Did you run into a rattlesnake? What?
I quapped my pants.
You quapped your pants. Jerry quapped his pants. I think Jerry pooped his pants. Oh, here he comes. What's that brown stuff? What's that brown stuff on your pants?
Oh, that's my quap.
Oh, that's your quap.
That was exhilarating.
Exhilarating. You know you got 2 hours and 30 minutes of recorded time on your camera?
Oh yeah?
That's a lot of time.
Oh, you're using my camera?
Yeah.
You can... I'm taking a shit and I look over and I'm like, I see you perfectly. I'm like, oh, well, I guess I didn't go far enough.
Oh yeah. But don't worry. No one will say anything.
I don't care. It's life, man.
Yeah, but what if you show this to your girlfriend? What would she think?
I don't care.
What do you mean you don't care?
That's life, buddy.
The way it is.
We eat, we drink, we shit, we piss. Hell of a view.
Nice up here, isn't it? Yeah.
Is that Reno down there?
No, Reno. Oh, there. Yeah, the big buildings over there.
Yeah.
See them?
Yeah.
Way to the right there. I think this is a good ride we're going on here.
Yeah.
We'll have 60 miles by the time we get to the truck.
Cool.
That's pretty good.
That's a good day.
Yeah.
Not as much as I thought we were going to do.
Well, yeah. Well, I'd rather be safe than sorry, you know?
Yeah.
And this thing is still taking pictures. And my helmet cam, yeah, my battery's dead in this one. I need to get a new battery. Oh.
How do you...
You see the other rider out here?
No, I didn't.
He was off the trail going down that way.
Off the trail?
Yeah,
You must know this place.
you must. Where's my tube? You see it?
Yeah.
Bring it up over the top. There you go. All right. Not bad.
I quack myself.
Quack my pants.
I'm going to the bar.
To the bar? You gonna hit the bar scene, and check out all the old ladies? Oh boy. Ah. Oh yeah.
Give me some gin and juice. Yeah, this bike's a handful.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Well.
You're gliding over everything, man. Fuck.
Yeah, well, you just have to hang on, you know?
Yeah, no, I know. I made my bed and I'll lie in it.
Well, you got a nice bike, Jerry. You just got to learn to ride it.
Hey, fucker.
Fucker.
Ooh. Damn it, fucking rocks.